Hey guys, for this video, we are going to check out the brake cutter made by 3D Lab. Let's go! Alright, so let's check out the material used for this brake cutter. This is a 3D printed, and as you can see, we have three sides here: the 15, 14.5, and the 8.5. So for the 15 is equivalent, or it will fit your brake plate. Okay, and then the 14.5, let me get this, it's equivalent to 2 popsicle sticks. Okay, and the 8.5 is equivalent to the FRP mount. It's perfect for those using the CFM chassis. Okay, so let me demonstrate to you how you use it. Now I have here a 3mm, 2mm, and 1mm sponge. So all of these sizes will fit in each side of this brake cutter. Okay, let's try the 8.5 for the CFM for the FRP mount. So let's try this one, the 2mm. Okay, again, align it here. Okay, flip it. Okay, then make sure it doesn't move, and then press down the brake cutter and then start cutting it. Sorry, let's say this. Okay, then let's cut it slowly. And there you have it. So it will fit perfectly on your FRP mount. Okay, so this is perfect for those who want to have a perfectly cut brake sponge for their Tamiya setup. Okay, for the price, I'll put it in the description box. I highly recommend this product if you want to have a perfectly cut brake sponge for your Tamiya car. You can message 3D Lab at Facebook if you want to order this awesome product. So that's it for our video. I hope you learned something from it. Stay safe, have fun, keep on racing. See ya! We are inviting you to visit the Attic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and monthly tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.